Copper gutters are a must on a traditional custom home. Let's talk about it. So when it comes to your gutters, they're going to be a maintenance issue. So a lot of my clients will ask, well, Paul, is it better to pay the money up front or pay the money later? And in this case, you're going to get more than twice the life out of a copper gutter. And it's not just about aesthetics. This is about longevity and putting on something that's going to last long. It's like buying the cheap electronic compared to the expensive electronic, or the cheap car compared to the expensive car. You're trying to buy a longevity, a quality, something that's going to be preserved and give you the performance you want for the life of the product. So when we choose copper gutters, yes, there's an aesthetic that goes with this traditional type of home, but the other big factor that my client is very interested in is the longevity and the life he's going to get out of it, or she's going to get out of it. Is it going to perform to what they need in the future and give them their desired outcome? So you ask, why not just put aluminum or galvanized painted gutters up there? Why do you need to put copper up there? I know we talked about longevity and performance, but on this type of traditional home, there's an aesthetic, and that choosing that copper gutter, yeah, I could put galvanized or aluminum painted gutters up here that might last 20 years, but this is going to last up to 60 to 100 years. But you're not only getting that lasting performance, you're getting this aesthetic. These gutters were going to patina, and they're going to age, and that's not a decay. That's just what it does, and it gives that cool look that's been here. And you see our lighting fixtures kind of have that patina already. These gutters are going to catch up to that and give that feel of a long-lasting, high-performance house that your customer paid for. Hey, this is Paul Lundgren with Refiner Touch Construction. Thanks for coming around, Cedar and Slate. I hope you guys stay tuned, stick around, because you know we can't build this without you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.